What's up guys, Dave here, back with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and in this episode we have the one more True Wireless ANC in-ear headphones. Now these guys have been out for a while, but they recently got a major upgrade. They now have what's called Quiet Max technology, which is ANC. They were upgraded to be the first ever earbuds with THX certification. So you know what we gotta do, right? We gotta get this box popped, go through all of its contents. I'm gonna let you know how they sound. You're gonna let me know how the mic sounds. So let's just do this, right? Grab your popcorn, let's get started, let's go. All right guys, so while I'm getting this open, I wanna let you know, these usually retail for $199. As you can see on the box here, it has an integrated triple mic with ANC technology, hybrid, dual driver design with direct drive, BA technology, 15-minute fast charge, Qualcomm True Wireless Stereo Plus supported, and a proximity sensor. All right, let's get this box popped open. Oh. This is actually a really cool design. I like that a lot. That's a nice touch. This, oh, I love carbon fiber, guys. It's a cool design. Let's get this out of the box. Whoa, this is high quality. This feels nice. Let's get to these drivers. There they are. Look at this carbon fiber design. That's dope. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see what else we got in the box. Got some different size ear tips, and we got some ear wings, it looks like. Some more ear tips. Super nice bag. And you got your USB A to C charger. All right, let's get the box out of the way. Check that out, guys. This case is all metal or aluminum. It's pretty nice. Nice design, feels good. Adds a little bit of weight to it, but that's okay. Right here, your USB charger. Let's see if we can get these paired up pretty easily. There's a button right here. That's probably gonna put us into pairing mode. Let's see. There they are. One more ANC TWS earbuds. Boom. That was easy. Immediately, the Qualcomm aptX app popped up. So we know we have the aptX codec rocking right off the bat. Let me go ahead and download the One More Music app. That way we can make sure we have the latest software update on these guys here. All right guys, so we're in the app now. As you can see, we have our noise cancellation modes here. You have off, mild, and strong. You have your pass-through mode, so when you're talking to people, you can actually hear them if you have your earbuds in. Smart playback, auto pause only. These have a sensor in them, so if you take them out of your ears, they will pause. You put them back in, they're gonna play. Let's go ahead and check if we have the latest firmware, which it appears that we do. We'll see if these are gonna fit okay. All right, so I need to adjust my left earbud. I typically always have to wear a smaller one on my left ear, so let's start with the smallest size here. I'm gonna swap this one out too for a medium. Medium. I guess that was medium. Let's swap it out for a small one also. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on to mild. That's pretty good. It's blocked everything around me already. Let's go to strong. Holy cow. That is really good. I can't hear anything. Trying to actually keep my voice low so that I'm not yelling. I can barely hear myself. Let me go ahead and turn this off. All right, guys. ANC works really good. Let's check out the important stuff. Let's check out how this sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the YouTube music app here. Let me jump into my playlist and start the song. I'm expecting greatness. Oh, here comes that bass. Come on. Pretty nice. I normally just always test these on the same song, but I just want to try something else here. Whoa. I was listening to these for a little while, longer than I normally do while making these unboxing videos and initial impressions, because I was actually quite blown away at the quality and the sound that I was hearing, and I really wanted to get a good grasp on what I was listening to and what I could hear. I have to say that these are amazing. I could hear every note, every sound, everything that the artist that made the song wanted you to hear. I have to say, these might be the very best earbuds that I've ever used. The quality of the sound was truly mind-blowing. It was amazing. It's really hard sometimes for me to judge the difference in some of these earbuds because they're very close. But when I hear something that sounds different, that sounds great, you have to take a moment to take notice and really listen and enjoy the music and the sound and the noise that it's emitting. I have to say, these are amazing. The highs were clear, crisp. The mids were soothing. I could feel the difference. The bass didn't crush my ears. It didn't vibrate my brain, but it was solid and nice. The whole package delivered a sound that was amazing, and I really need to compare these to some additional headphones, but for now, that's not what this video is about. I have to say, these sound amazing. These are great. Let's move on to part 2 of the challenge, which is the mic test. I truly hope that these hold up to the mic test. I need it to be great. I need it to be good. I want it to be good, but that's for you to judge, guys. Let me get these paired up. Let's go ahead and start the mic test.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the One More True Wireless earphones. Let's go ahead and introduce that ambient noise. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the One More True Wireless earphones with ambient noise running in the background.
What do you guys think? How do they sound? Does it meet your expectations? Let me know everything down in the comments below. Alright guys, so that is what I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one.